Here we are. We're outside the Wolf Boat House, Boston University. We have amassed our donkey squad. And here we go. Oh, your mother's on wheels. She's rolling. Jeez. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Everybody else is having a nice quiet Sunday, and we're all out with our dinky donkeys. We have the Colorado donkeys, and we have Jasper, and we have Harley, and obviously we have Miss Carleen, who's celebrating her birthday. We've actually realised we're about half a mile out from the whole boulevard that's closed off. So we're getting there. But it's just lovely. Phenomenal weather. And there, of course, is our world champion Bullwinkle. Here he is here. And our lovely Jasper and Harley. And there we are. Looking lovely. A bit hazy today. I think it might be a heat mist because it's actually very hot. And then you got the crazy donkey runners. One, that's Marsha. Maybe Arrow, can't remember. 2, 3. There they go. Followed by, here he comes, the prospector, with Bullwinkle and another donkey following on behind him. Here he comes. This is the gentleman who took quite a long time to do the race yesterday, but we did pick him up afterwards with Bullwinkle, his donkey, and who is obviously, I keep telling everybody, the world champion. Hey Bill! Who have you got at the back of Bullwinkle? Blaster. Excellent. So there you are. Lovely view of the Boston skyline. See, who says donkeys live out in the country? Now, I've just got to go and keep up with the rolling crew, which is up here. And there's Jasper and Harley and Gwen and Nancy and of course Carleen. She's walking Harley and Nancy is walking Jasper, and isn't this lovely? Prudential building, I think. Although, quite frankly. And the funny thing is, as we're walking along, all these people keep saying, "Are those donkeys?" And I'm like, yes, they are donkeys. So I'm not sure how many donkeys go for. People keep stopping in their cars, you see, to take pictures. So I think we're causing lots of disruption. Nothing unusual there. And it's just been a super day so far. And guess what? Thank you. No, they're pretty cool. Here we go. Yeah. Jasper, get off the grass, you cheeky monkey.
Hungry rascal.
Oh, here we go. Still going? Still holding on? Listen, it's been... she's doing her very best. Oh, Harley's lovely. Anyway, so we're aiming for down this road somewhere. Not quite too sure where. Do you know where we're going, Gwen? Oh, no. None of us know where we're going, but we're going in this general direction. It is very pretty, isn't it? A beautiful day, and everybody's been so very lovely about the donkeys. So, yeah, they have. And all the cars keep stopping and taking pictures. So we're causing chaos. But there's nothing unusual in that. So... No, they ran off ahead in front of us. Yeah. Although, no, Bill's still back here. He's still coming. But everyone else, the other three with Janine and... Okay.